This is extremely elegant. This is slim. This is a very good material, and once you put it down on the table, people will start to look at it on what this is. What's up, guys? My name is Joe, and in today's video, I have an awesome giveaway for you guys. I got contacted by Pitaka.com, a very cool company that makes extremely awesome products for your iPhones, and in some other cases for your bank cards, credit cards, debit cards, whatever. So I got two products over here, a Mac Pro and I have a Pitaka Mag Wallet. So let's start with the Mac Pro case because this is so awesome. I want to keep this for last. Pitaka Mag Case Pro, this is for an iPhone 10, but you can get it for iPhone 6 and above. So look at the experience when unboxing this phone. First, magnets. You open it up, gorgeous presentation, matte black case, and here you have a very durable, drop-resistant case for your iPhone 10 in this case, but you know, if you have another type of iPhone, that's all right. What you can see over here is that on the back it has this really nice texture. It's very matte, but it's carbon, and you can get it in aramid as well. Very tough, made out of bulletproof materials. It has metal thingamajigs embedded inside, so it's magnetic. So if you have a Pitaka Mag holder, you can actually place this like on your dashboard in your car, put your iPhone 10 in there, and that holder has a charger in it, so it actually charges your phone. So as you can see on the outside, you have these four little rims. Now these are the airbags in this product, and inside you have, it's a bit hollow, but the reason for that is because when it drops on either side or either corner of the phone, that little space and this little bump absorbs the impact, and it won't shatter your iPhone's front or back in the case of iPhone 10 or iPhone 8. So you can actually win this if you stay tuned, and I'll tell you how. Now, the second product is this. Look at this presentation. This is actually a wallet for your credit cards, bank cards, ID, whatever. First of all, look at the presentation. Again, has the Pitaka kind of material on the box, and you just, here's the product. Look at that presentation. You're probably wondering, how does that stay over there? Well, again, magnets. This is the wallet. This is the wallet we've been looking for. This is the wallet we've been waiting for. Now, in there was a small thank you card, and that is the box. Now, so you have the product over here, and you open it like this. Open it individually, like if you just want one card over here. You want this card? Okay. Take it out, put it back in, close it. Or you can just take it off entirely. This is 4 individual pieces over here. Now you have 2 sections. These are the covers, and these are the internal covers. These internal covers have these kind of faces on there. Now, why are those faces there? Well, these are not actually meant to be designed. These are for you placing your keys in here. Your keys actually fit there. So if you want to take 1 or 2 pieces of keys, you can just put it there, and they'll fit gorgeously. I can tell you that. Now, these are standard card size over here. As you can see, you can put it on this side, you can put it on this side, you can put it any way you want. If you just want to carry 2 cards, then you just take the 2 covers and you get this extremely thin card wallet with you. Like summer nights, you want to go out, but you don't want to take your bag with you. You don't want to take anything with you. You just want this in your back pocket. This is not going to be like a huge chunk over there, and you won't be able to sit down. This is extremely elegant. This is slim. This is a very good material, and once you put it down on the table, people will start to look at it on what this is. Extremely elegant, very awesome product. So if you want to win this product and this product, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Once you've done that, there's a link below to a Gleam page, and you have to register for the giveaway. Now, there are extra points if you follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, whatever, but it's not compulsory. All you have to do is basically fill out the form, give me an email so I can actually contact the winner, and that's it. Once that's done, one more thing, you have to share this video anywhere, on Messenger, on Instagram, on Facebook, wherever you want, just share it. Now, these are the 3 things. Once this is done, I will randomly pick out a winner from those who have done all this. And we'll be able to win an iPhone case for their phone. If they have a different phone, that's all right. And a Pitaka Mag wallet. I thank Pitaka for sponsoring my channel. Thank you very much. If you want to see more products from Pitaka, go to ipitaka.com. There are some very awesome things. I bought a lot of things from there. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to stay safe and hang loose.